This is the plain diamond stitch pattern, and this video will be showing you how to knit this pattern. You want to start by casting on in multiples of 9. Okay, let's start with the first row. Okay, row 1 of this repeating pattern, which is the right side, you want to start off with a knit 4. And 4, and then the start of the repeat. So you want to do a purl 1, and then knit 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and you repeat that till the last 5 stitches. Okay, so we have our last 5 stitches. Now we want to do 1 purl and 4 knits. And now we turn and start row 2, which we start with 3 purls, and the start of our repeat, which is a knit 3, and then a purl 6, five and 6, and you repeat that to the last 6 stitches. So the last 6 stitches, and now we want to do a knit 3 and 3, and then a purl 3. And turn. And row 3, which is a knit 2, so 1, 2, and then the start of our repeat, which is a purl 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then a knit 4, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now repeat until the last 7 stitches. And now we have our last 7 stitches, and we want to do a purl 5, four and 5, and knit 2. And row 4. We start this off with one single pearl, and then into the repeat, which is knit 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and then purl 2, 1, 2, and repeat that until the last 8 stitches. And now we have our last 8 stitches, and we want to do a knit 7. And a single pearl on the end. Our next row, row 5, is purl all the way across. Our next row, row 6, is we do the same as what we did on row 4. So what we've done is we've done the first half of our diamond, and now we're going to do the second half. So as row 4, we are going to purl the very first stitch, and then knit 7, six and 7, purl 2, and repeat till the last 8 stitches. In our last 8 stitches, we are going to knit 7, six and 7, and then purl the last stitch. In row 7, we're going to do the same as what we did in row 3, which is knit 2, and start the repeat, which is purl 6, no, purl 5, knit 4, and repeat till the last 7 stitches. And then on the last 7, we are purling 5, and knitting 2. Okay, now we're going to do row 8, which is the same as row 2. So we start off by purling 3, and then start the repeat, which is knit 3, then purling 6, then repeat that pattern till the last 6 stitches. In the last 6 stitches we are going to knit 3, and then purl 3. Then we just repeat that as many times as we want until it is as long as we want. Let me know what project you'll be using this stitch for, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.